Welcome to my channel, Income Stream Forever in Stained Glass. What I'm showing you here is the rows that I cut out in a previous video. The difference is the three pieces you see in green, which is the leaves and the stem. I cut those out in red, but it should have been the green, so that's why you see a different color here. Well, in today's video, I'm going to grind all those pieces so that we can put our copper foil on and solder it. So if you're interested, keep watching. So right here is my grinder, and I will be grinding each piece. While I'm grinding, I will not be talking, so I'm just going to go on and finish those pieces up. Okay. Let's see how well this looks on the piece. Okay, that's a perfect fit. So I'm going to finish the rest of these pieces off camera. I grind all the pieces, washed them. Like I said, I washed them with Dawn dish liquid, and I'm going to put them onto the pattern to see just how well they fit. This green is a texture. These are texture pieces. Let's see. Make sure we have it right. Okay, that's good enough. I hope you can see those pieces. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take these off of here, and we are going to copper foil each piece. Actually, I could just leave it on here. We're going to copper foil each piece. And here's my foil. Okay, let's start with the stem. I hope you can see me here. I'm trying to stay in the center. Let me get some scissors. Okay, cut this off a little bit. So we're going to try our best to get this right in the center. Make sure you have enough room on both sides. And this black backing is very sticky, so to me it works the best. But we want to make sure we're right in the center. I'm watching both sides, making sure I have enough copper foil on each side, which is very hard. You gotta really eye it. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna cut it right here and finish up right there. Okay, got that piece on. Now we're going to use our pig to do the burnishing. I'm going to rub it down really good, nice and firm. Put it down. And rub it on in. Even. Okay. Just rub that down. Now we're going to bring it in. Bring those round corners. Let me see right here. It looked like I can. I'm going to lift it a little bit because it looked like it was folding under. There we go. Okay. Okay. I'm going to rub this, actually this side first. Rub it nice and firm. Okay, we're going to bring this in. Turn it over. And same thing on this side. Okay, not too bad. Not bad at all. Okay, that piece goes there. Make sure I get it right. Okay, right on in there. Let's see. I want to make sure you can see that. You probably can't. So let me bring it a little closer so you can, maybe I can zoom in. Okay. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my pieces, and I will be right back to start the soldering. So I'll see you in a short period of time. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. All the pieces has the copper foil on them. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tack it down so that I can do the soldering. Okay, so I'm going to slide this to the side. Okay, I need my flux. I don't know if you can see that. Just going to put a little in here. Matter of fact, I'll open it up some. Put a little flux. And a solder. Got that. My brush. For my flux. And I'm going to move my, well, I'm going to bring my smoke extractor over a little bit. It makes a lot of noise, but maybe I'll turn it off at times. But you need that for the fumes from the flux. Let's see, I'm going to put these pieces back together on, excuse me, on this board. So let's see if you can still see me. Okay. Okay. Put a little water into my sponge for the solder iron. See if I can move my iron over some. Okay. I'm going to put the smoke extractor on, so it may be a little loud. I'm just going to tint this side. Okay, it's pretty dirty. Okay, I'm going to go wash this off, and I will be right back. Okay, I just washed it off. I cleaned it with Dawn dish liquid. I'm going to set that aside for a second. Okay, let's clean up a bit here. My flux over there. I'm going to clean this up. Get this all nice and clean. Okay, so we're going to put some patina on the rose. The patina makes it black. The silver will be black. So, again, I hope you can see everything I'm doing. Okay, so it's all clean. Let's see. Let's see. Looks nice and clean. Let's see. The back is clean. The front is clean. Okay. Now, before we patina this, I'm going to rub it with a little wool to roughen it up for the patina. You don't have to like scrub it hard. Just give it a little scrub. That helps the patina actually stick better. Still wool, this is. Still wool. Makes it a little rough like. Okay, so before I do the patina, we're going to put the, I don't know if you can, we're going to put the hobby cane. This is the hobby cane. I'm going to put this on. It's going to go all the way around the rose. So let me slide that over to the side. And I'm going to pull some of this out. We have to stretch it. So I'm going to measure what I need and cut it off. Okay. Let's see. Let me get my little cutters so I can cut this. Okay, I'm going to tack it right there. Right there. And we're going to bring this on around. Bringing it around. Put a little flux there because I think we need a little more solder. Let's see if that does it. I'm going to push that in there. Okay. Put a little flux there. And just to make sure this sticks right here. Get on in there. Okay. I think that's not sticking too well, but I'm going to go on. Keep on bringing it around. I'm going to get this piece. Oops. Okay, so now that everything is on, I'm going to just go back over it just to make sure all the hobby cane is on there nice and tight. I may have to do a little soldering a little bit. We'll see. Let's see, just to make sure it's on there. That's all right. This side, let's just check and see. Make sure it's right. Let's see, just take this little bead here and just drop it right there. And right here, make sure that's in there. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Let's get that off of there. Okay. So I'm going to have to go and wash it one more time so we can put the patina on. Be right back. Okay, so I put one side of the chain on, and I'm going to put this other side on. I don't know, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put a little flux on the jump ring as well as on the piece. Let's see if I can get that to stick on there. Okay, let's see. A little solder. See if I can get it to stick. I think it's on there pretty good, but let's just stay on the safe side here. Put a little more over here. Okay, so that's on there, the chain. Can you see that? Okay, so what we're going to do now, put everything over there, and we're going to put on the patina. I'm just going to put this paper down, and since I've washed it like twice, let me just rub a little more of this here steel wool on here. Okay, here's the patina, black patina. And I'm going to pour a little bit in here because I don't like putting it back in the bottle because I don't like to contaminate anything. And I use a toothbrush to put my patina on, as you well know. So let's put this on. As you can see, it's turning black. Getting it all in there. Turn it over to this side. Let's see if we're all covered here. Let's see, make sure we're all covered in black patina. And again, I'm going to have to go and wash the patina off. That's the process that we go through. So, look like it's all covered. And I will be right back. I'm gonna go wash it. Okay, this is the finished product. Let me see if I can zoom you in. So this is it. This is the rose that I promised my granddaughter that I would make for her. So, Brittany, the rose is ready. You can pick it up at any time. It's all done. I hope you love it, Brittany. There it is, front, and this is the back. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. You can even leave me any kind of comment or whatever. So until next time, and hope you have a great day, evening, whatever, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.